Welcome, friends. I'm Michael Collins, owner and pharmacist of Healthway Compounding Pharmacy. Today on our Healthway Pharmacy Prescriber Spotlight, I'm pleased to have Dr. Keri Topouzian with me today. Welcome, Dr. Topouzian.
Thanks.
So,
Glad
Doc,
to be here.
Good. So, Doc, tell your friends a little bit about your background and training.
Well, my friends know about my background and training, but for those of you who have never seen me before, or either of us, basically I started out as an ER physician, did that for a while, then I escaped, luckily, and then I started practicing functional medicine. And I know you're going to ask me, what's functional medicine? Well, basically, it's where we try to find the underlying cause of a problem. You know, when someone comes in and they're having fatigue, we don't just put you on something to help with your fatigue. We try to figure out why you have the fatigue and then treat it from that standpoint.
Being a physician, you can write traditional prescriptions, but why compounded or custom-made type medications?
Well, you know, a lot of people, especially, you know, when I see a new patient, I'll ask them, do you know what a compounding pharmacy is? And a lot of times they say no. And the way I explain it is that it's like an old style apothecary. They can make everything up from scratch. They make specialty items. Let's say you need a certain dose of a prescription and you can't get it from your regular pharmacy, CVS, Rite Aid, Costco. Then compounding pharmacies can make it up specially for you. And let's say it needs to be in a liquid versus a pill, they can do that. Or if you want to use it on your skin, they can do that. There's so many options that compounding pharmacies have.
Oh, that's great. So, doctor, what other services can you provide to patients as a functional medicine physician?
Well, you know, this is something that I'll say a lot of times is that, you know, functional medicine it's a specialty, but the specialty sort of infiltrates all other specialties out there. For example, if you're having arthritis or joint pain, then we've got things that we do that we specialize that maybe the other physicians that specialize, like an orthopedic surgeon, they may not do things like that. Or if you're having some problems with your eyes, macular degeneration or dry eyes, we have things that we do that other physicians don't necessarily know about because it's part of our specialty. And the list goes on. Hormone imbalances, menopause and then for men, for guys who have low testosterone levels. We have a lot of patients like that. A lot of patients with thyroid issues. And it's really, there's almost no specialty or there's no real complaint that we usually don't have something that we can help you with.
Oh, that's great. So how do our friends make an appointment with you and where would they see you at?
Well, I've got two offices. I have an office in Saginaw, Michigan, inside the Healthway Compounding Pharmacy, and I also have an office down in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan.
Awesome. That's great. And so what number do they end up calling to make their first appointment?
Sure. Best number would be 248-302-0473. They can also go to our website. There's a couple websites. You want to give them your website first?
Oh, give them your website. It's fine, sure.
So it's ASKDRT, askdrt.weebly.com.
Okay, very good. And you can also reach us at healthwayrx.com is our compounding pharmacy website. So thank you, Dr. Topouzian, for visiting with us today.
My pleasure.
And stay healthy, my friends.
Thank you.